You don't need a team, funding, or a fancy degree to build a micro-SaaS. You need one small problem and a weekend. Let me show you how to do it solo with AI. A micro-SaaS is just a tiny software tool that solves one narrow problem for one specific group. Think invoice reminder for freelance photographers, not the next big platform. Small is the point. Here's your first concrete step. Pick a niche you already understand. Then write down one annoying, repetitive task those people do every week. That single sentence is your product idea. Now open an AI coding assistant like Cursor or Claude and describe your tool in plain English. Ask it to scaffold a simple web app, a form that takes an input and returns a useful result. You review, test, and refine. You're the director, the AI is your junior developer. Next, wrap it with a payment tool like Stripe and a simple landing page. Charge a small monthly fee. Even $5 a month from 20 real users teaches you more than any course. And here's the honest part. Most first attempts don't make money. That's normal. The skill you're building, spotting problems, shipping fast, talking to users, is what actually pays off over time. Don't chase passive income fantasies. Chase one paying customer, then ask them what to fix and build that next. Your action item today: write your one-sentence problem statement and paste it into an AI assistant. Ship something ugly this week. You can make it pretty later. Follow for more honest, hands-on AI building. No gurus, just work.